Welcome to Affiliate Profit Pilot. Let's have a quick run through of how the extension works so you can see how easy it is to get to grips and start using it right now. Okay, so now I've come over to a sales page and all I'm going to do is highlight the main part of the sales copy for this product. So after the testimonial here, we've got the problem. I'm just going to highlight all of this, scroll down, the solution, 6 steps, the workflow, what it looks like, and some more information about what it is. Picture this in your own work, build structures for your work, and let's get down to here. So I've highlighted quite a large section of this sales page, of the copy of the heart of the offer and the product. And all I need to do now is right click and choose Affiliate Profit Pilot AI, and then choose which of these different options that I want to run. So let's start with the quick offer summary. I'll click on that and it'll go away and start doing the work. Now it will take a little while to run through and do this because it's running all that information through the API. So it'll take a few seconds to come back. There you go. You saw how quick it was. It can vary. It can be 5 to 10 seconds. It can be up to 30 seconds to run some of these tools on the page. Generally, it's pretty quick. So this is the quick offer summary. It summarized this offer for me, what the product is, who it's for, the main problem it solves, the core promise, the key features, the strongest benefits, the main differentiator, price and offer details, best promo angle, and a 1-paragraph quick summary. Now I can save that as a markdown file, or I can simply click on copy and take it over to my email system or Facebook post or whatever I want to do with it. It's all there ready to go. Okay, so that's the first one. And as this is a demo tutorial, I'm not going to run through every single option under Affiliate Profit Pilot AI, but I will do some more as examples. So let's go with find promo angles. Again, choose the option, let it do its work, and it'll take a few seconds to run through and create the information that we're looking for. And again, as you saw, it was pretty quick there to complete it. So we now have a different promo angles available for this offer. So we've got an angle named Speed Advantage and the details of that particular angle. We've got another one for a simplified workflow angle, another one for time-saving solution, and it just runs through a whole selection of potential promotional angles that we can use for our promotion. If I scroll down to the bottom, it should also have the best overall angle and the best secondary angle. And again, I can copy this or I can save it as a markdown file. So let's quickly do a couple more. Again, right click, choose Affiliate Profit Pilot, come across and choose which one we want to look at. So for this, I'm going to go with find bonus ideas. Again, let it run and do its job. It'll take a few seconds. And there we go, it's come up with our bonus ideas for this offer. So we've got bonus title, what it is, the problem it solves, why it complements the offer, recommended format, and fast version to create, and a perceived value score. And if I scroll down, you can see that we've got a selection of different bonus ideas, quite a few of them. And if I scroll all the way down to the bottom, you'll see it has a top 3 bonus recommendations and a suggested bonus stack. Again, copy it, save it as an MD file, whatever you need. Let's close that down and do one more. Just right click, Affiliate Profit Pilot AI, and let's go with the option to build a review page outline. Again, it'll go away and do the work. The point here is it's doing this work while you're on this page. You're not having to head over to a separate AI tool, to ChatGPT or CoWork or wherever else. It's all done right here on the page. And you can see that came up really quickly. And we've got a complete outline for an affiliate review page for this product. The review page headline, opening problem, quick verdict, what the product is, who created, who it's for, what's included, how it works, main benefits, strengths, possible limitations, bonuses, price and value, guarantee, FAQ, and the final verdict with a call to action. Again, click on copy, save it as a markdown file, whichever you need, and it's done and ready to use. So you can use Affiliate Profit Pilot on any sales page, any bit of any JV page, any offer document, anything like that, and you use it directly in the browser and just right click, choose the option that you want, and it goes away and does the work right here for you immediately. It saves you a massive amount of time and messing around from different pages, different tools, different bits and pieces and different systems. You've got it right here where you work. Now we'll cover one other option for the browser extension. If you click on the icon for the extension itself and choose the open options link and then scroll down, you'll see down at the bottom, you've got the option to put in some custom prompts of your own. All you need to do is put in a name, pop in your prompt, and use the tags that we've got for the different types of information for the prompts. So selected text, page URL, page title. Just pop those in to the prompt wherever they should go. And then once you've got your prompt in, click on Save Prompt. So you can actually add your own workflows and prompts into Affiliate Profit AI. You're not limited to just the 10 that we start off with. You can add extra ones in that fit exactly how you work. So that's Affiliate Profit Pilot AI from AIWhereYouWork. You can see how quickly you can use AI within your browser, within the pages that you're on, without having to jump around between different pages and tools. So it saves you a massive amount of time. You are using AI where you work. There should be a button below this video for you to be able to get on board, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside.